Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Qayyum from Q's Basic Cooking, and I have another one of my summer dishes for you today. So let's get started. What I have here is around 1 pound of sliced beef, 2 bunches of broccoli. I have 4 large potatoes pre-boiled, and some onion, garlic, tomato, and stuff. Alright, so heat up 1 tablespoon of oil and then add garlic to it. Let it start turning golden brown before we add anything to it. 4 to 6 cloves are good for 1 pound of beef. So I didn't start with onion. I'm going to add onion later. I'm doing this by frying the garlic first. This is chopped garlic, and let's wait for this to get brown, golden brown I mean. Keep stirring it, and meanwhile make sure the wok is coated with oil. We didn't put too much oil, but we want the oil to go all around so the beef will not stick. Alright, if you're using less oil, then you have to make sure that your pan, skillet, wok is coated. Alright, so sprinkle a little bit of salt. Salt is always optional according to your own taste. I'm not putting too much. Alright, every few minutes just turn it so it can cook evenly. Add onions. You see the bubbling around it? This is what is going to cook the beef. And we are not adding any water. We're just going to cook the beef in its own juices and steam later on. Some liquid will come out of the tomatoes. So we are good. So you see the steam around it. So when we cover it, the steam will stay in and it will help the beef cook properly. Alrighty, let's cover it. Give it a few minutes. Okay, see how much different it looks now? Okay. I added a little bit of lemon pepper there. You can use some black pepper. I have the lemon pepper mix, so I used it just for a little extra flavor. Let's peel and cut the potatoes while the beef is cooking. So these are 4 large potatoes. I'm cutting them from the middle first and then peeling them so I can see if there's a black spot in there or something. I can take it out. Alrighty, so we added the broccoli. This broccoli I chopped it into very small pieces, very small pieces, and now I'm going to cover it and let it cook in the steam. A few more minutes. This is optional. This is hot pepper oil, or use garlic pepper paste, but it's optional. It has to be according to your taste. Black pepper you can add, but red pepper, chili oil, or chili garlic paste is up to you. Alright, let's cut the potatoes in bite-sized pieces. Okay, and make sure while you're cutting them, see if there's anything in there that needs to come out, like a little black spot, brown spot, something, anything, because sometimes you cut the potatoes and you see, you know, some parts of it are not fit, you know, to eat, so you just take them out. Alright, so cucumber, salt, green onions, lemon juice. This is all going to flavor the potatoes and make a nice salad. Oh, my mouth is watering already. Okay, some freshly ground black pepper will be good. Then again, if you don't like it, use what you want, paprika or red chili powder. Alrighty. Green cilantro, you can use parsley if you like parsley. And there you go, the salad dressing. This is Italian salad dressing with a little bit of pepper in it. Red pepper, not hot pepper. Alrighty, so let's plate some food for you. Chicken, did I say chicken? I'm sorry. Beef and broccoli is ready. My son loves chicken broccoli, so I made beef and broccoli today, but I'm calling it chicken, because I'm used to it. Alrighty, let's plate some potatoes. The salad is good. Alright, that should be enough. I just want the guys to have enough in their plates to fill up their tummies. There you go. Yum. Bismillah, bismillah, let's eat.